Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to import data from Slack to ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just started using ClickUp, but you have a lot of data on Slack. How do you actually go ahead and import that data from Slack all the way over to ClickUp? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to ClickUp. Then in the upper right-hand corner, click on your profile icon. Then click on Settings. Now on this page here, on the left-hand side, click on Import/Exports. And then from here, you want to scroll down until you find Slack. So click on Slack, and then it's going to prompt you to actually follow these instructions so that you can import your data from Slack all the way over to ClickUp. But there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and import your data from Slack to ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.